Hi guys, welcome back to my channel. So today I'm going to go over my sister's house to cut my hair because my hair is fried and I haven't cut it in a long time. Last time I cut it, I think I did it by myself. I literally did 2 ponytails and I cut it. So we're gonna go to my sister's house. It's like 7 at night, so we're gonna go. Good thing I live close to her now, because before we used to live super far, but now we live super close. We're like probably like a 10-minute drive, maybe less. So we're gonna go over. She doesn't know she's gonna cut my hair. I told her I was gonna go over just to hang out. I'm just waiting for my boyfriend to hurry up, which he hasn't yet. So hopefully she cuts my hair really good, because I'm excited, because I need to cut my hair. It took me like 5 years to grow it this length, like, which hopefully hopefully I can show you later, but that's the length it took me to grow it in 5 years. Hello?
Hello,
Hi!
Good.
Boss!
Hi, Alex. What's your name?
No.
It's like Shumir.
How old are you?
2 times happened. Well, you put it 1 time in a bottle of coconut water and second time in a bottle of water.
Look at those beautiful
And I can,
eyes.
I can take 2 of this for the state Supreme Court.
What's up?
I
We're
picked
gonna
2
go
for
for
the
Alright guys, so I'm going to cut my hair. My sister's about to cut it over there with her professional scissors. And that's do yours.
Chipotle carne asada is back. The cumin, the coriander,
I didn't know you were coming.
flavors. Very tender.
Yeah, it's gonna work. I looked at this guy with these scissors.
It's bomb steak.
So she's gonna be using these scissors, which they're not professional. They're just toy scissors, clearly. So don't judge. Thank you very much.
We're ready.
So I'm going to color my hair, and I'm not sure what color I'm going to do. My boyfriend picked it out for me, so I'm gonna see if it works, because my hair is pretty dark, so I don't know if it's gonna take the color in. It is box dye, and box dye is not the most healthy way to color your hair, because it does fry your hair eventually. But yet again, hair is hair. My hair is already fried as it is. My hair is like the thickest hair in the world, anybody can tell you, and it sucks. Like, I hate it, but it is what it is, so I'm just gonna work with it. And if you guys want to see how I color my hair, just keep on watching. Alright guys, so I'm going to color my hair. I'm sorry for the lighting, but my lighting is pretty much yellow, so whatever. So I'm going to color my hair. I do have 2 box dyes of this color. I don't know what's the color, but this is what I'm gonna color my hair with. But my hair is too dark, so I'm going to put some blonde first and then color it within like an hour or 2. It is like probably like 7 o'clock at night, so I'm gonna color it eventually a little later. So I'm gonna do these really quick, and then I'm gonna color my hair. I'm probably gonna change my shirt because this is black, so it's gonna stain really quickly. Alright, so I changed my shirt. It's a Hooter. There's a funny story to this shirt, but I'll tell you another time. So I'm just gonna let my hair go. It's pretty long, like I said before. It's quite long, so I'm going to dye it blonde first and see how it looks. I do have hair ties, so I'm going to go from the bottom to the top and just literally just color it whatever color. I do have the gloves here, so I could just color it really quickly and then see how it looks and just wait it out. I think, oh, juice. I do think I have to wait a few minutes, but I don't know how long. I have to read this very carefully and see how long I have to keep this on for. I don't want to color my hair super blonde because that's kind of scary. I don't want to do that. It scares me. I did that last time and my hair was super blonde. That is so crazy. What the hell? How am I supposed to fix that? I can't fix that. So I'm just gonna keep coloring my hair. Oh my god. What the hell? At least it came in the shower and not in like the ceiling or the wall, because that would have sucked. I'm literally just going and just coloring whatever piece of my hair that I have left. I don't want to color too much. I just want to make sure that the color of the other color is going to take, but I'm not too sure. So I'm just literally going to go around, which sucks. I hate coloring my hair. That's why I let other people color my hair. My boyfriend's playing his game, so he's definitely not going to color my hair. But it is what it is. I can't complain. So I'm going to wait for like around like 20-30 minutes and then just see how it works. So let's see and follow me on my journey to coloring my hair, okay? Alright guys, so it's the next day, like a few hours after. This is my hair, this is what it looks like. I bleached it, so it looks kind of red. I mean, I did have red, but then it also looks kind of brown. I don't have no idea, but this is what it looks like. So I'm gonna dye my hair this color, so hopefully it works out. Hopefully my camera's picking up. So I'm going to do it and show you the end result. Hopefully I do a good job, because I'm scared. Alright, so I just finished painting my hair. Hopefully the color stays on my hair, because my hair is super dark, and over here is only to light blonde, so that's why I bleached it. But hopefully it works. If it doesn't, oh well, like there's nothing I can do about it. So hopefully it does work. So if there is a change I'll show you guys, and if there isn't, I'll still show you guys to show you what I did or what color my hair is, which hopefully it does change colors, because right now it just looks exactly like the same color. So let's see. Alright guys, so this is the end result of my hair. It looks nothing like what it's supposed to look, because this is what it was supposed to look. It looks nothing like it. So it looks more red than anything and orangey at the same time. But it's not bad, but it's not good either. So I'm sorry if I'm looking inside. I'm just watching, and it looks good from what I can see. I did bleach it a little bit, but it doesn't, like right here, I don't know if you guys can see, but like right here is more of a stronger color because I did bleach it, and the same thing in the front. But in the back, it's pretty much black still. So it didn't really work. My hair just didn't literally take the color, so it's fine. I'm just gonna deal with it right now. I'm thinking of dyeing it this like grayish one, but I'm not sure. I'm just gonna let this one rock for a little bit and then see if I change it. But I like my hair so far. I mean, it's softer than when before because my hair is super damaged, and it still is. I don't know. I gotta cut the ends a little bit because it's still fried. My sister cut it for me, but still fried. So guys, thank you for watching this video. Let me know what you want to see next in the comments down below, because I am going to do more videos eventually. So don't forget to subscribe, like, and until next time guys, mwah.